When you look at a fully executed trade setup, it can look incredibly complex. But beneath the technical layers, it is just a series of deliberate, logical steps. Anyone can build this. To get started, you will need a charting platform. Go ahead and open a free tool like TradingView. Step by step, we are going to build your first high-probability setup. We will locate a support level, identify a specific candlestick trigger, confirm the momentum, and mathematically calculate the risk. Stacking these 4 layers takes the emotion out of the process. You stop guessing what the market might do and start executing a defined statistical system. Step 1 is mapping the market structure to define the battlefield. Specifically, we need to locate a solid support floor. Look back at the historical price movements on your chart. You want to spot a geographic area where the price has dropped, stalled, and bounced back up at least twice. A mistake beginners make is drawing a single thin horizontal line across lows. Instead, use a rectangle tool to map a thicker zone. Support is a general area. With your rectangle set, wait patiently for the chart to drop back into this proven boundary. This zone acts as your perimeter. Waiting for the price to reach this specific box prevents you from buying blindly, ensuring the statistical probability of a bounce is actually in your favor. Step 2 is zooming in on the micro price action inside that support zone. We need a specific visual trigger. Analyze the candlestick anatomy. The solid block is the real body, showing the open and close. The thin wicks show the absolute highs and lows. You are hunting for a bullish engulfing candle, where a strong green body completely swallows the previous red body. Alternatively, you might spot a hammer candle. This is a small real body with a massive lower wick that extends down at least twice and long wicks on both sides that indicate hesitation. And crucially, you must wait for the engulfing or hammer candle to close before taking action. Spotting these specific, aggressive shapes directly inside your support zone provides hard visual proof. It shows that buyers have actively overpowered the sellers at exactly the right moment. Step 3 is verifying the trade with the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This indicator sits at the bottom of your chart and measures momentum. On your main price chart, draw a downward trend line connecting the recent lows. Check the RSI panel below for momentum divergence, an anomaly where the price chart heads lower but the RSI wave climbs higher. This divergence exposes a reality. The downward momentum is exhausting itself. Even though price looks negative, selling pressure is stalling. Requiring this hidden momentum shift acts as a final filter. It keeps you out of fake-outs and provides the ultimate green light to execute the trade. Step 4 is calculating the exact mathematical parameters of the trade. You do this before risking a single dollar. Select the Long Position Forecasting tool in TradingView. Anchor the starting point exactly at the closing price of your confirmed trigger candle. Set your defensive parameter. Drag the red stop-loss boundary beneath the lowest wick of your pattern. If price hits this line, your trade automatically closes to prevent failure. Next, drag the upper green take-profit boundary upward until the tool calculates a strict 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio. With the boundary set, apply the golden rule of risk management. Size your position so that if you hit the red stop-loss, you lose a maximum of 1-to-2% of your total account capital. The math behind a 1-to-3 ratio is highly forgiving. Because your target pays out 3 times what you risk, you only need to be right 25% of the time just to break even. Locking in this exact mathematical ratio neutralizes the emotional panic of individual losses. The math does the heavy lifting for your long-term survival. Review the stacked evidence. You mapped the historical support zone. You identified a bullish candlestick trigger. You confirmed the momentum shift with RSI divergence, and you built a strict 1-to-3 risk-to-reward trap. If you execute this and the price drops through your stop-loss, the system still worked perfectly. You took a calculated minimal loss exactly as planned. Open your charting software today. Pick an asset, look at the historical data, and hunt for these 4 layers. Executing your trades based on a rigorous, layered framework is exactly what separates a professional trader from a retail gambler.